Boolean values in Python are essential. As in programming, you often need to determine whether an expression evaluates to true or false. In Python, you can evaluate any expression to get one of two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns a Boolean result. When you run these comparisons, Python returns Boolean answers. Similarly, when using conditions in an if statement, Python evaluates the expression and returns true or false. In this example, since Liam is not greater than Russell, Python evaluates the condition as true and prints Russell is greater than Liam. Let's talk about evaluating values and variables using the bool function. This function allows you to check any value and get a Boolean result. Here, both the string rah and the number 22 evaluate to true. Most values are evaluated as true if they contain any content. This includes any non-empty string, number other than 0, and any non-empty list, tuple, set, or dictionary. However, there are some values that evaluate to false. These include empty values like parentheses, square brackets, curly brackets, strings, the number 0, and none. Naturally, the Boolean value false also evaluates to false. Functions in Python can also return Boolean values. Python includes many built-in functions that return Boolean values. One such function is isInstance, which checks if an object is of a specified data type. And there you have it. That's a brief overview of Boolean values in Python. Whether you're comparing values, evaluating expressions, or checking types, Booleans are an essential part of making decisions in your code. Thanks for watching.